Hello. Have you ever brushed your teeth and felt that rough surface, especially near the gums? Or have you noticed a yellowish or brownish tinge that brushing doesn't seem to remove? If so, you're probably dealing with plaque and the dreaded tartar. And today, we are going to reveal how nature and a few simple habits can be your greatest allies in preventing and controlling this problem. But pay close attention, because at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the indispensable step that most people forget, and that makes all the difference to a truly healthy mouth and freedom from tartar. Stay with me until the end, because this knowledge can save you many painful trips to the dentist and keep your smile beautiful and healthy for much longer. First, let's quickly understand what is plaque and what is tartar. Plaque is that soft, sticky, and invisible layer of bacteria that forms on your teeth all the time. If you don't remove this plaque properly, within a few hours, it starts to harden, absorbing minerals from your saliva and turns into tartar, also known as dental calculus. And tartar, my friend, can't be removed by brushing alone. Now, what is the first line of defense against the formation of tartar? It's not some exotic ingredient. It's the basics done right. First, champion brushing. Brushing removes plaque before it has a chance to harden. Use a soft bristled brush and fluoride toothpaste. Yes, fluoride is a natural mineral and super important for strengthening enamel against bacterial acids. Brush for a full 2 minutes, covering all surfaces: front, back, the top where you chew, and don't forget the gum line. And of course, the tongue too, to fight bacteria and bad breath. Do this at least twice a day, preferably after your main meals. Second, the superhero between the teeth, floss. The toothbrush doesn't reach everywhere, especially between the teeth and just below the gum line. That's where plaque loves to hide and turn into tartar. Floss is the only thing that can clean these corners. Use a generous piece, about 45 centimeters, and slide it gently between the teeth, hugging the base of each tooth in a C shape. Go up to the gum line carefully, without forcing it to avoid hurting it. Do this at least once a day. Many people prefer to do this before brushing, so that the particles are loosened and the brush can sweep them away afterwards. Test and see what works best for you. The important thing is to use IT. Great, with brushing and flossing up to date, you've already eliminated most of the plaque. But we can go further with help from nature and our routine. Third, the war against sugar. Plaque bacteria love sugar and refined carbohydrates. They feed on it and release acids that erode the enamel and create a perfect environment for plaque to grow and turn into tartar. Reducing your intake of sweets, soft drinks, and sticky foods is key. When you eat, try to brush your teeth immediately afterwards, or at least rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Fourth, crunchy fruits. Natural cleaning and saliva saver. Fruits such as apples and pears and vegetables such as carrots and celery are like soft, natural brushes. Their crunchy texture helps to lightly scrape the surface of your teeth as you chew. More importantly, chewing these foods stimulates saliva production. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense. It neutralizes acids, helps wash away food particles and plaque, and contains minerals that help restructure enamel. Include these foods in your diet. They're a great snack between meals. Fifth, botanical allies: clove and olive oil. Remember we talked about cloves in the previous guide? It's known for its antiseptic and analgesic properties. The eugenol in it helps fight bacteria. You can make a simple mixture: 1 teaspoon of clove powder with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil can help to drag out some loose particles. Use this mixture to gently massage your teeth and gums for a minute or two. It's not meant to replace brushing, it's a complement. Then rinse well and brush as usual. Do this a few times a week. Don't use pure cloves directly in your mouth. They are very strong and can irritate. Always dilute or use powder in the mixture. Sixth, the friendly mineral. Hydroxyapatite, crystalline hydroxyapatite, is a mineral that is actually the main component of our tooth enamel and saliva. Toothpastes or rinses that contain hydroxyapatite can help remineralize the enamel, strengthening the teeth and making the surface less prone to plaque adhesion. Look for products containing this ingredient if you want to give your enamel a natural boost. Wow, how much can we do at home to keep plaque under control and make life difficult for tartar, right? Brushing, flossing, taking care of your diet, and even using the help of natural ingredients like clove and olive oil, or products with hydroxyapatite. But remember, at the beginning, I talked about the indispensable step, the one that, if you ignore all your efforts at home, may not be enough to guarantee the complete health of your mouth in the long term. The golden tip, the secret that closes this whole prevention routine with a flourish, is regular visits to the dentist for professional cleanings. Yes! I know a lot of people try to avoid it, but there's no way. No matter how careful you are at home, there can always be a little bit of plaque left in the most difficult corners, and this plaque, over time, will turn into tartar. And once tartar has formed, only a dentist or dental hygienist has the right tools and technique to remove it completely and without damaging your teeth and gums. These professional cleanings, usually every 6 months, or as recommended by your dentist, as each case is unique, are essential to remove tartar that has already formed. Do a deeper cleaning that you can't do at home. And also allow the professional to assess the general health of your mouth, detecting problems early on. Think of it as essential maintenance for your oral health, an investment that prevents much bigger and more expensive problems in the future. So, the formula for winning the battle against plaque and tartar is a powerful combination. First tip, impeccable daily hygiene. Brushing twice a day plus flossing once a day. Second tip, smart eating. Less sugar, more foods that help, like crunchy foods. Third tip, natural allies. Optional, but useful. Clove, microcrystalline, hydroxyapatite, or others that your dentist may suggest as a complement. And the indispensable step, regular professional cleanings at the dentist. By following these steps, you'll be doing the best for the health of your teeth and gums, preventing tartar buildup and keeping your smile beautiful and healthy for life. Now tell me in the comments, which of these tips do you already practice? And which of them are you going to include in your routine from now on? I really want to know. If this video helped you better understand how to take care of your teeth and prevent tartar, please leave a like. It means a lot to us. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button and activate the bell so you don't miss any natural health videos we've prepared for you. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself, take care of your smile, and we'll see you in the next video.